When working with text data, like customer feedback, emails, or reviews, it often contains noise, special characters, inconsistent formatting, or unwanted patterns. Regular expressions, regex, give you powerful tools to clean and standardize text efficiently. Today, you'll learn how to use regex with Pandas and Python to clean text fields as part of your data wrangling workflow. First, import the needed libraries and load your dataset. Import re-import pandas as pddf eul.read csv, your file, CSV. To remove unwanted characters, like punctuation, extra spaces, or digits, you can use re.sub or pandas string methods. For example, ftext clean, a def raw text. Esther replace retaze a 0, 9 mimes, regex, true def text clean, a def text clean, stir replacer best, regex true, stir strip. This removes non-alphanumeric characters, collapses multiple spaces into one, and trims white space. To extract specific patterns like phone numbers or emails, find all or star extract is ideal. For instance, if phone numbers ELF raw text, apply lambda x, refind all r odu 3 sas adu 3 is do for x. Def email edf raw text to extract r az09 percent plus az09 plus azas2. This pulls phone numbers and emails regardless of format. You can also standardize formats or replace patterns. For example, if your dataset has dates written in varied formats, if date std def raw text, consider replace do r3 1 to 2 regex true. This converts mmddyyy into ymdd for consistency. For advanced text cleaning, you might combine regex with text normalization steps. Convert text to lowercase. Remove line breaks, HTML tags or URLs. Remove numbers or stemming lemmatization using regex as part of the workflow. Putting it all together, a simple cleaning pipeline might look like def clean text equal text, lower text equal re.sub r http bow s plus as text par remove urls text equal re sub r text strip html text equal re sub r z09 plus s e text keep letters, numbers, space text e re dot sub r plus e text strip return text ddf cleaned edf raw text apply clean text. Cleaning text data efficiently with regex not only speeds up your workflow, but also helps maintain consistency in your analysis pipeline. Enroll into our data cleaning courses. The link is in the description. Go check it out and level up your skills today.